If you've ever wondered whether it's actually possible to make money from your phone without constantly working long hours, you're not alone. A lot of people hear the phrase passive income and assume it's some internet myth or something only experts can do. But the truth is, there are real apps today that allow beginners to start earning small but consistent income streams with very little setup. Now, let's be clear from the beginning, none of these apps will make you rich overnight, and anyone who tells you that is trying to sell you a dream. What they can do is help you build extra income that grows over time, especially if you combine more than one method and stay consistent. One of the most popular beginner-friendly passive income apps is Honeygain. This app works in a very simple way. Once you install it on your device, it uses your unused internet bandwidth and shares it securely with their network. In return, you earn money based on how much data is shared. The idea might sound unusual at first, but it's completely passive because once it's running in the background, you don't need to touch it again. You can literally go about your daily life, watch videos, scroll social media, or even sleep while it continues working for you. The earnings are not massive, especially if you only use one device. But the more devices and internet connection you add, the more it can grow over time. For beginners who want something truly hands-off, this is one of the easiest entry points into passive income. Another app that has gained a lot of attention is Swagbooks. Unlike Honeygain, Swagbooks is not fully passive, but it has semi-passive features that make it beginner-friendly. It allows users to earn points, often called SB, by doing simple online activities like watching videos, answering surveys, or even searching the web. Those points can later be converted into cash or gift cards. Now, while surveys require some effort, certain features like watching playlists or running offers in the background can generate small earnings with minimal attention. The real advantage of Swagbooks is that it doesn't require any special skills or investment. You just sign up, use it consistently, and over time the rewards accumulate. It's especially useful for people who already spend a lot of time on their phones and want to turn that idle time into something productive. Moving on, another very interesting app in the passive income space is Rakuten. This one works through cashback. Whenever you shop online through Rakuten's partner stores, you get a percentage of your money back. It might not sound like much at first, but over time it adds up significantly, especially if you already shop online regularly. Imagine buying clothes, electronics, or everyday items you were already planning to buy, but now you're quietly earning money back on each purchase. That's the power of cashback systems. Rakuten also sometimes offers sign-up bonuses, which makes it even more attractive for beginners. While it's not passive in the sense that money appears without action, it becomes passive once you integrate it into your normal shopping habits. You're not changing what you do, you're just earning while doing it. Another app worth mentioning is Ibotta, which is very similar to Rakuten but focuses more on groceries and everyday essentials. With Ibotta, you can earn cash back by scanning receipts or linking your loyalty accounts from supermarkets and stores. This makes it extremely practical for people who regularly buy food and household items. Instead of seeing shopping as pure spending, Ibotta turns it into a way to recover part of your money. Over time, consistent users can accumulate a surprising amount of savings, especially families or individuals who handle regular household shopping. It's one of those apps that quietly works in the background of your daily life without requiring a major change in behavior. Now let's talk about an app that is a bit different but very popular among beginners, and that is Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin pays you for walking. Yes, literally for walking. The app tracks your steps and converts them into a digital currency called Sweatcoins, which can be exchanged for rewards, discounts, and sometimes even cash depending on availability in your region. While it may not replace a full income, it is a unique way to turn physical activity into small rewards. The more you walk, the more you earn. For people trying to stay active, it becomes a win-win situation. You improve your health while also collecting digital rewards in the background. Over time, consistent users can redeem useful products or offers that reduce their personal expenses, which indirectly contributes to saving money. Another strong contender in the passive income space is Misplay, especially for people who enjoy mobile gaming. Misplay rewards users for trying and playing new mobile games. The longer you play, the more points you earn, and those points can be redeemed for gift cards. While it might sound like just another gaming app, it actually creates a system where entertainment becomes rewarding. If you already enjoy playing games on your phone, then Misplay simply turns that hobby into something that gives you back small financial rewards. It's not entirely passive because you are actively playing, but it feels passive because you're getting rewarded for something you already enjoy doing in your free time. Now, it's important to understand something very clearly about all these apps. Passive income in the real world is rarely completely passive at the beginning. Most of these platforms require some level of setup, habit building, or consistency before they start to feel effortless. The real goal is to reach a point where the apps run in the background of your life, quietly generating small streams of income or savings without demanding constant attention. That is where the real value comes in. It's not about replacing your job instantly, but about building multiple small income streams that add up over time. For example, someone might use Honeygain on their home Wi-Fi, Swagbooks during free time, Rakuten when shopping online, Ibotta during grocery runs, and Sweatcoin just by walking around daily. Individually, each one might feel small, but together they create a layered system of micro income. And that is how most successful online earners actually start. They don't rely on one big source, they combine several small ones and let them grow. Another thing beginners need to be aware of is consistency. These apps reward long-term usage more than short bursts of activity. If you install them today and forget about them tomorrow, you won't see meaningful results. But if you integrate them into your daily routine, even passively, the results begin to stack. It's very similar to planting seeds. At first, nothing seems to happen, but over time, small growth turns into something visible. It's also important to manage expectations. You are not going to earn thousands of dollars in your first month using these apps. Most beginners might start with small amounts, maybe enough to cover a subscription, a few groceries, or extra spending money. But the real benefit is not just the money itself, it's the habit of earning online, understanding digital income systems, and building the mindset of multiple income streams. That knowledge can later be used to scale into bigger opportunities like freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, or even building your own online business. At the end of the day, these passive income apps are tools, not magic solutions. They work best when you treat them as part of a bigger financial strategy rather than your only source of income. If you stay realistic, consistent, and patient, they can absolutely help you generate extra cash with very little effort over time. So whether you're a student, a beginner trying to make side income, or just someone curious about how people make money from their phones, these 5 apps offer a simple starting point. Honeygain helps you earn from unused internet, Swagbooks lets you earn from small online tasks, Rakuten and Ibotta help you earn while shopping, Sweatcoin rewards your movement, and Misplay turns gaming into rewards. Each one fits into a different part of your daily life, and together they form a simple introduction to the world of passive income. If you approach them with the right mindset, you'll realize that earning online doesn't always require complicated skills or big investments. Sometimes it just starts with downloading the right app and letting it work quietly in the background while you focus on living your life.